She always, her keys in the same drawer.
Option A.
They decided to cancel the trip, the storm.
Option A.
I'm not really in going to that concert.
Option B.
He ran so fast that he could barely.
Option B.
We were surprised by how the instructions were.
Option A.
I have to finish this report the end of the day.
Option C.
This recipe requires just the ingredients.
Option B.
She has been working here last summer.
Option A.
The teacher asked us to work in.
Option A.
It was too dark to see anything without a.
Option C.
My phone battery is almost.
Option A.
They waited in line for over an.
Option A.
We had to take an alternate route because the road was.
Option B.
You should. Your homework before watching TV.
Option A.
The book was so good I read it in one.
Option C.
I need to. Some money from the ATM.
Option A.
This soup tastes a bit. Did you forget the salt?
Option B.
He didn't understand the question, so he asked for.
Option A.
I can't find my passport. It must be.
Option B.
Please, your seatbelts before takeoff.
Option B.
Her voice was so quiet I could hear her.
Option A.
We need to. A meeting to discuss the new project.
Option A.
I forgot about the appointment.
Option C.
The movie was not as good as I had.
Option A.
Can you turn the volume? I can't hear anything.
Option B.
The manager will the team tomorrow.
Option B.
This chair is it's great for long hours.
Option A.
The train was delayed because of a failure.
Option B.
He spoke so fast that I couldn't. Everything he said.
Option C.
She gave a very performance in the play.
Option C.